You see that? I mean, all the way up to the almost the roof of the house there.
Yeah. Did you have a good Christmas?
I did. I woke up. I had Christmas with my family, and then I came into work, and we had some Chinese food, and it was delicious and perfect day.
There's something to that. Yeah, listen, Santa brought a new tie.
I like the tie.
Got a shirt. Smell this. Vanilla sandalwood. Little cologne.
That's very vanilla.
Some pants. Yeah, I got some Christmas light socks on.
Yeah, show the shoes, man. You got to show the new shoes.
Can they zoom in? They're white New Balances. I don't know if I'm supposed to say
show
that.
them on the weather wall.
Some think that we just wear dress shoes, but sometimes you can pull it off, and I think it kind of goes well together. So maybe at the end of the show. All right, switching gears to weather. 77 was the high today. We started off at 63. I've mentioned this. I don't want to be a repeating record here, but our typical afternoon high is 62, and we began Christmas already above that. And just all in all, not close to the record of 90 degrees set back in the 1950s, but still definitely a spring-like day today. Cooling down tonight, we got some 50s and 60s. I got 64 in Austin, Georgetown, Lockhart, San Marcos, pretty much the same pattern as we've been in these past few days, and we will talk about a big change on the way that will come early next week. So for your Friday or day planner, by noon, 76. We'll have the decrease in clouds, plenty of blue sky to close out the day, but 83 degrees. So it's going to be a little more on the warm side compared to today. Clouds and radar shows the increase in clouds and, you know, some patchy fog here. Nothing too crazy. A less than 10% rain chance, some light drizzle that will quickly just turn to more partly cloudy skies past lunchtime. So 84 is the current record from 2016. I got 83 in Bastrop, 82, San Marcos, 83 in Austin. How about 85 in Atlanta? Milam, Lee, and Fayette, low 80s, a little more humidity there. Winds will be persistent out of the south at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Saturday, pretty much the same thing. I think a little bit cooler. The record for Saturday is 82, set back last year, if you remember how toasty it was on the 27th. By Sunday, 79. We'll see mostly cloudy skies with a late cold front that will be bring in some winter air come Sunday night into Monday. Nothing to talk about rainfall-wise for now. Let's fast forward to Sunday, and here's the position of the front Sunday morning up toward the Panhandle. That crashes, bringing in a very limited rain chance. It looks a little scary there. This is a 10% rain chance. Most of y'all watching are not going to get much. On the back end of that cold air, maybe even some Pacific moisture, bringing some flakes out toward El Paso. Nothing in Austin, but would be impressive to see some snow here in the Lone Star State. We'll notice the winds, though. That'll be the big factor when this crashes on through by Sunday night, gusting up to around 35 to 40 miles per hour. I would secure some of those loose holiday decorations because the feel-like temperature, even on Monday, not great. It's definitely going to have that bite to it, some 30s and some 40s, so bundle up. High temperatures will just be in the low 40s for parts of the hill country. Got some 40s and 50s further east. And even Tuesday morning, I think a freeze is going to be expected for a lot of people. So 64 tonight, winds out of the south-southwest, some fog as I mentioned, highest chance will be east of Austin. Tomorrow 80s, winds out of the south-southwest, your 7-day forecast, let's stretch this out here. First 3 days, I would say that's April. And then the front comes in and all of a sudden we're into January for a bit, but a gradual seasonable trend up. 2025 ends at 60 with mostly sunny skies. In 2026, if you can believe it, starts in the mid-60s with mostly sunny skies.